fine. I hope you're fine too. Do you remember on Monday we drew the insect? Today and tomorrow we're gonna talk about birds. And there are many kinds of birds that maybe you don't know it's a bird. For example, the duck. Quack, quack. The duck is a kind of bird, is an aquatic bird. And I choose the duck. You can choose another kind of bird. You can go there, you can Google it and look for different kinds of birds to draw. So let me try it. It's not so easy, but so I need yellow. I need black for the eye. Look, this is my duck. And I need to write duck. Do you know the first letter of duck? D, duck. Duck starts with the letter D. A, B, C, D. Duck. So you can bring to the classroom this, the bird and the insect, and show your friends and show me. See you!